Hey guys, welcome back to our vegan kitchen.
Just want to apologize in advance for all the extra sound, but we got a chewer.
We got a chewer, we got a computer player. It's a lot. But anyway.
That's life.
Yeah, exactly. We're rolling with the punches. We're going with this. So guys, category rice pot extravaganza, eleganza.
Oh.
We're taking plain foods and we're making them whole nother level. So we've got, well, we're going to be doing this in the rice cooker today.
Mm-hmm.
So basically this is rice, beans, greens, and wiener.
And ween.
And ween.
You're
right.
sick.
So this is like for 2 hungry people, right? So I've got 3 cups of rice in here, and this is the 3 cups of rice like in a rice cooker. So it's basically like 3 6-ounce cups. So like 3 ridiculous coffee-sized, in the coffee maker's fantasy size of cup. 6 ounces. Like,
what?
Like they always say, like, for a 6-ounce cup.
Okay.
Who drinks the 6-ounce cup of coffee? A mouse? Alright, so 3 of those. And you just follow your directions for the rice cooker. If you're doing this on the pot, on the stove, you do double the water for the amount of rice that you're putting in. Because you could do this on the stove too. So we're doing white rice because this is basmati. And I filled up the water to the number 3 line because we have 3 fantasy rice cups. And I'm going to use garbanzo beans because that's what we had the most of. But you could definitely use black beans.
And we love them.
Any bean. Little white beans. Pinto beans. So we're just going to put that in. Now we got to put some flavor in here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because if we don't, it's going to be not good. So I'm going to do half of a teaspoon of granulated onion because we love that. And we love the granulated garlic. So we're also going to do half of a teaspoon of that. Or I was just thinking, hey, you could use Vegeta or Vegeta.
Oh.
However you say that. It's Vitamina Vegemin right here. This one's really good too, and it's already got the salt in it, and it's got the flavor of carrots. Well, it's probably not just the flavor. It's probably they made it into that, and then they said, let's make a powder. But that's really flavorful. Love it. We're going to have to put in a little bit of salt. If you are omitting salt, you could omit the salt. But
You might omit a little bit of the flavor as well.
exactly. But maybe you want to try one of those Mrs. Dash type situations. Or put a little lemon juice in it. That goes a long way for flavor when you take the salt out. And we're going to put 1 tablespoon of the Orrington Farms Bouillon. I don't think this one's very salty, so it'll be okay with the salt in there too. And we want our greens in there, so I have a frozen bag of cut leaf spinach.
Yum.
That I've already cooked a little bit in the microwave so that it's not a frozen rock. So we're going to put that in there. Of course, if you don't like spinach, you can put carrots, you can put peas, you can put any combination of vegetables, but probably 1 bag would be the right amount for this amount of rice, unless you really like the vegetables. I mean, I really like the vegetables, but I don't want to get too crazy with this. I want to have some rice with it. And then we have our ween. We have 1 field roast with the new packaging, smoked apple and sage. Delicious.
Beautiful.
Here's a little tip, guys. Do you ever have a problem taking the casing off of this? Sometimes it can be a real pain in the butt. I like to slice it lengthwise like this. You don't slice all the way through on the bottom, and then you open it like this, and then you can just get the peel off so easily like that, rather than struggling with it. So that's my little tip for these casings. So we're just going to slice this, you know, small, because we want an equitable distribution of ween in the pot. You might even want to do like this. Can you tell I don't have great knife skills?
No.
It's
Looks
true.
great to me.
It's true. I'm sure lots of people who know what they're doing with a knife are cringing right now. But my dad warned me, respect the knife. Above all else, respect the knife. So I try to do that, and I still have all of my fingers. Alright, so we're going to dump this in the pot as well. The thing about this, it's not as quick as the recipe that we did the other day. It's going to take about an hour. But it's one of those set it and forget it.
We love that.
You can put this on and you come back and you're ready to eat dinner. So I'm just going to give this a quick stir. And then we're going to take it over to the rice cooker.
Ooh, that green is so
I know, isn't it gorgeous? Beautiful. Ready to go. All of that prep, what was that, like 3 minutes?
It's
3
very
to 5
quick.
minutes? Plop. Close. Menu is on white rice, and we push start, and it said, please come back in 60 minutes and I'll be ready. All right, well, this has made a veritable vat of food.
Yes.
I was a little off on my predictions. This could definitely feed 3 to 4 people, not just 2.
Yeah, I mean, look at all that's still in there.
There's a lot of food in there.
Ooh, it looks good though.
Smells wonderful.
Yeah.
The whole house smells amazing right now.
Get some of everything.
I also meant to say before too, you can put more than one sausage link in there, or you could use Beyond and or any fake meat that you like, or you could just leave the fake meat out if you don't want it.
To quote The Bachelor, I like this. That's good.
All right.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah.
Nice and easy.
Yes. Easy, semi-quick, and easy.
It feels
And cheap.
hearty, but light at the same time.
Right. Right.
Because of the chickpeas.
Yes.
And I don't know. It's really nice.
It's nice. It's like an American fried rice, but not fried at all.
So not fried rice.
I just mean like rice with different
With stuff in it.
Yeah.
It's rice with stuff in it. It tastes really good. And the texture of that rice is perfection.
You cannot go wrong with a rice cooker.
Rice cooker.
If you follow the
life-changing.
directions, it's going to be your best friend.
Yeah, that's really tasty.
All right. Well, I hope you enjoy.
I am. So thank you all so much. Let us know if you give this a try.
Let us know how your veganuary is going.
Yeah.
And make sure you come to our live stream on Friday,
Ooh.
2 p.m. Eastern.
Should be fun. And if you guys have any questions, we're going to be doing a Q&A video soon. So if you want your question in the video, leave it below and say, like, this is for the Q&A. So I don't just, like, answer it when I'm answering comments. But thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you next time. And until then, much love.